I'm Jack Fleek, and this is Clifton News. And now for the weather. What's going on out there? Are you there?
Jack, Wagwan. I don't want the man ask me no foolish, you know, because out here too cold for that, you know. You ask about Wagwan, what's going on out there. You know, see Wagwan. Snow fall, you in the warm studio, and me out in the cold. Because them can hardly move out here due to the level of snow that we have out here. You see, this is the difference between having a job and a career. When you have a career, you can call out and still get paid. You understand? When you have a job, no work, no chicken, no jerk. You understand what I say? So, you don't know, we're expecting about 2 to 5 inches of snow. You understand? So, if you're lucky in with a man and him have 2 to 5 inches, inside or outside, you will be upset. Alright? Back to you, Jack. May I depend on this. Yo, pack up the blast cloud camera and we could go for it.
Thanks, Rich. Well, that's your Quefton weather report, and we'll be back after this.